In this tutorial, I'd like to show you Viewfinder HUD from Sugar FX. Viewfinder HUD gives you some great heads-up display, viewfinder, and target special effects. I'm in Final Cut Pro 10, but these effects work in Motion and After Effects as well. I have some cool GoPro footage that would look great with these HUD effects. They're located in the effects browser under Sugar FX Viewfinder HUD. Let's take a look at some of the presets. There are an array of presets that have all sorts of different looks. Everything is customizable, so let's find a good starting point and tweak the parameters from there. This shot would be great with a viewfinder effect, like we have an in-car camera running. Let's start with Viewfinder Designer. First off, the shot is a little dark, so let's lighten the color of the grid lines. Then we can go through all the different viewfinder styles to find the one we like. I like the simplicity of Style 1. Next, I can adjust down the intensity of the grid lines. I'll check the blending box, which will make the grid lines composite in an Add Blend mode, and feel like they're more a part of the footage instead of over the top. I'll turn on the Focus Hotspot, and turn on or off the other options to taste. The Icons section allows me to choose and customize the different icons on screen. I'll change the battery icon to Battery Empty, and raise the blink frequency so it looks like it's giving me a dead battery warning. Let's change Icon 3 to a Record icon, and change its color to red. Though the histogram is cool, I'll turn it off for this clip. I can customize the on-screen text. We have a few different video effects that we can add. Cheap monitor, film look, color shift, and damaged tape. I'll go with cheap monitor. Lastly, there is a vignette effect that I'll leave on at 100%. I'd like to quickly jump over to Motion and show you a great way to customize Viewfinder HUD with motion tracking. This clip has a GoPro camera mounted on a remote-controlled drone, so the camera moves around a lot. In the Behaviors, under Motion Tracking, I'll drop an Analyze Motion behavior on the clip, add a tracker to the chest of the man in the shot, then Analyze Motion. I'll drop the Sugar FX HUD Target 2 effect on the clip and choose the Telescopic preset. Next, I'll go to the Parameter Behaviors and add a track behavior. Next to the source, I'll click the gear and choose the Analyze Motion behavior I just used. For Transform, I'll choose Attach to Source. Then I'll change the Apply To parameter to the position of the Target 2 filter. Additionally, I can track any of these other on-screen displays to anything in the shot with different trackers, and I can adjust all the other options and parameters to get a cool effect. Sugar FX Viewfinder HUD is an excellent special effect that would take you hours to create by hand. It works great in Final Cut Pro, but adding some motion tracking in Motion really will make this effect stand out. FX Factory offers a huge selection of great plugins, and if you don't have them yet, I suggest you go try them out at noiseindustries.com.